Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch Aurora fish in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to catch Aurora fish, you need to meet the Aurora Weather. Based on the update log, there is a new weather, the Aurora Weather event. This new weather event brings new fish and a brand new mutation. So basically, guys, when this Aurora Weather event is coming, you need to immediately do fishing. And then when you fish during the Aurora Weather, you can get this Aurora fish. Let me show you. Okay, let me scroll down and I'll show you the Aurora fish. Okay, I got the Aurora starfish and then the Aurora grouper, big Aurora grouper, and the Aurora, wait, I still got one Aurora fish. It's a legendary fish, okay, big Aurora butterfly fish. If you want to catch the Aurora fish, just do fishing during the Aurora weather. Okay guys, and that's all about catching Aurora fish in Fish It Game of Roblox latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!